This is Yasmeen and I welcome you to hyderabadwala.com. Today I'll show you how to make Palak Vada or Spinach Fritters. Soak 150 grams chana dal or split Bengal Gram overnight or for about 6 to 8 hours. Next morning, drain the water thoroughly. Add 3 whole green chillies and 3/4 teaspoon salt. Grind roughly. Wash and strain 1 standard cup chopped spinach. To the ground paste of Bengal Gram, add 1/4 teaspoon cumin or zeera powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, add half teaspoon crushed garlic, add 1.5 tablespoons chopped coriander, add chopped spinach, add half cup diced onion, mix well. Add chickpea flour or besan for the binding according to the consistency. Here I've added 2 tablespoons chickpea flour. Mix thoroughly. Add oil for frying. When the oil is hot, make flat fritters without using water. Lower these fritters into the oil and fry on both sides till they turn brown and crispy. Palak Vada or spinach fritters are ready. Thank you for watching. Please share, comment and like this video and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.